Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes, and it's time for Fundations. Today, we're going to be starting Unit 16, and there's only 1 week. It's day 1 of Unit 16. And this week, boys and girls, we're going to be starting a new sound. That's the sound that you hear in AU, August, ah, and AW, saw, ah. Now, even though it's spelled 2 different ways, it's exactly the same sound, and we're going to be looking at these 2 sounds. So let's get started. I hope you have your iPad or your paper or your whiteboard ready, whatever it is that you're using for these lessons. Well, we're going to start off with the word August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. So let's write it. Capital A, U. I think I'm going to do this on the other side. Here we go. August. Capital A, U, G, U, S. I'm going to have to move this over. T. August. All right, so let's look at this. The AU makes the sound of aw. That's actually a short O sound. Aw. Gust. You hear the G, the G sound. Short U. St. You have ST. August. August. All right, now let's trace over that word in another color. Capital A, U, G, U, S, T. August. Now let's write that word 2 more times. Here we go. August. Now I'm going to write it small on here. Capital A, U, G, U, S, T. And write it again. Capital A, U, G, U, S, T. You can pause the video if you need more time. We have the word August. All right, next word. Now, our next trick word that we're going to do, well, actually, I think I'll just go ahead and interview or tell you the other 2 words. Now, AU has the sound of ah, AU, and it's also the same sound that you hear with AW. We talked about that. An example of a word with AW would be the word straw. Echo me, straw. Ah. ST, R, STR. It's a 3-letter blend. Aw. AW. STR, AW. Straw. Now you notice that the AW is at the end of the word. And can you tell the difference between AU and AW? No, and I don't really know of any rule. So this is one where you have to just become familiar with the word, or you can look it up. To mark this word, you scoop it, 1 syllable. The AW, that is a double vowel. And you have STR, that is your blend. Now write the word straw 2 times. STRAW, STRAW, straw. You can pause the video if you need more time. All right, now that we've had a word that has AU and AW, let's look at some trick words that have that. Here's the first trick word. Well, August was actually the first trick word. Here's the next one. Echo me. Laugh. Okay, laugh. Let's spell it. Starts with it up at the skyline. L-A-U-G-H. G-H. I like to laugh at funny movies. Laugh. Now, can you tell what makes this a trick word? I just told you that AU and AW makes the sound of aw. Do you hear aw in this word? Laugh. No, you hear a short A. That's what makes it a trick word. So we have ah. The AU makes the sound of ah, short A. L-ah. And what about the GH? What sound does the GH make? That's right. It makes the sound of F. Laugh. Laugh. All right, let's trace it. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. And let's write that word 2 more times. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. You can pause the video if you need it. All right, next word. Our third trick word for today. We have to work on these all today because we only have 1 week to learn them. That is the word daughter. Okay, if you have a little girl born in your family, she is a daughter. Here we go, daughter. D-A-U, da. Well, that makes the sound of short O, ah, da, and then it has that tricky G-H. Tur, E-R. Now, the word daughter, the D makes a sound of D, like always. The A-U-G-H makes a sound of short O. T. You hear the T. And then you hear the ER sound. Daughter. But it's spelled D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Is the correct way to spell that word. That's why it is a trick word, a very tricky word. Okay, let's spell it. Daughter. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Very tricky word. Let's write the word daughter 2 times. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter. And write it one more time. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter. You can pause the video if you need more time. All right, let's move on. Okay, let's do some sounds. We're mixing it up today. We usually do our sounds first, but not today. All right. Echo me. A-W, saw, ah. A-U, August, ah. Now let's do the long A sound. A, acorn, A. A-E, safe, A. A-I, bait, A. A-Y, play, A. O-U, trout, ow. O-U, soup, ooh. O-W, plow, ow. O-W, snow, oh. We had 2 tricky ones there at the end that have 2 sounds. O-W and O-U both say O-W, or I'm sorry, they both say ow, as in plow, and trout. They also say O-W-O and O-U, soup, ooh. Very tricky. All right, so let's spell some words with A-U and A-W. Here we go. Our first word, echo me. Claws. Elbows up. Claws. K-l-aws. Oops, sorry. Let's try that again. Claws. K-l-aws. Claws. We have the suffix on the end. Claws. K. That'd be a C. L. Ah. What do you think? Would it be A-U or A-W? And the Z on the end, that would be an S, not a Z. Claws. Eagle has claws. That's right. It's A-W. Claws. And let's go ahead and scoop it. Claw. And you have to circle the suffix. And that makes the sound of Z. Claws. What do we do with A-W? That's right. Circle it. And it is a double vowel. Almost forgot. We have a blend at the beginning. C-L, cull, Oz. Write the word 2 times. C-L-A-W-S, C-L-A-W-S. You can pause the video if you need more time. Nice job. All right, next word. Echo me. Hawk. I saw the hawk, or there were very sharp claws, or the hawk had very sharp claws. Hawk. Okay. I forgot to have you tap it out. Hawk. 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 H. Aw. Oh, we'll put a line there. K. Has a K at the end. Should it be A-W or A-U? Which one looks right? That's right, A-W. I saw a hawk flying in the sky. Hawk. All right, let's scoop it. What do you do to the double vowel? That's right, circle it. And it is a double vowel, so you put a D at the bottom. And let's not forget, we have to write the word 2 times, hawk. H-A-W-K. H-A-W-K. Hawk. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, good job, boys and girls. Erase. Okay, we have time for one more word. Echo me. Crawled. I crawled across the floor. Let's tap it out. Elbows up. Crawled. K-r-a-l-d. Crawled. K-er. And then it has the ah sound. We'll just put a line. Ah, ul, d. Oh, that must be a suffix. How do you spell the d sound? That's right, ed. And we know that it's saying d, which is the D sound. D, crawled d. But we still need to know what goes here. Would it be A-W or A-U? Try it out, see what looks right. The baby crawled across the room. You're right, it's A-W. There we go, crawled. So we'll scoop, crawl, and you have to underline crawl too because that's the base word. And what do we do to the double vowel? That's right, we circle it. Double vowel. Oh, you're right, I almost forgot. Underline that CR. Now let's write the word crawled 2 times. C-R-A-W-L, and put the suffix on, E-D. Crawled. C-R-A-W-L-E-D. Crawled. Make sure you have it spelled correctly. And that's all for today, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.